Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making baked drumsticks. Baked drumsticks are a popular and a delicious way to enjoy chicken. But today in this recipe guys, the chicken drumsticks are first boiled for a few minutes to partially cook them and then coated in a flavorful seasoning mixture made with paprika, salt, and Island Joe chicken seasoning. The drumsticks are then baked in the oven until they are cooked through and the skin is crispy and golden brown. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Hui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we're gonna place the pot on the stove over high heat and bring the water to a rolling boil. And as soon as the water starts boiling, carefully add the chicken drumsticks to the pot. Then we're gonna cover with the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Guys, make sure you cook for 2 minutes. Boiling the chicken for too long can result in a dry and tough meat, which can be unappetizing. By boiling the chicken for only 2 minutes, you can ensure that it is partially cooked while still retaining its moisture and tenderness. And the other thing, the chicken will be partially cooked, which can help to speed up the cooking process when you are ready to finish them off in the oven or in the grill. However, it's important to only boil them for a short amount of time to avoid overcooking the chicken. After 2 minutes, turn off the heat and remove the pot from the stove. Now we're gonna drain the chicken, then place them under cold running tap water to cool down quickly. You can also use ice to shock it, but I found it is easier just to run the cold water on the chicken. Once the drumsticks are cool enough to handle, now we're gonna transfer them to a bowl and move on to season them. Next, drizzle with avocado oil, or you can use any oil of your choice guys. Then I'm gonna follow with Island Joe's all natural adobo chicken seasoning. Guys, this seasoning is a bomb. Mind you, I'm not promoting it guys. Next, we're gonna go in with paprika and salt. Now using your hands, we're gonna rub the mixture all over the chicken. So here I have a pan lined with foil and I'm gonna place cooling rack on top and lightly coat with a cooking spray. Okay, now we're gonna place the chicken and we're gonna bake this chicken in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the skin is crispy and golden brown. The chicken baked for 25 minutes guys. Wow, check the crispiness. I love that. There you have it guys, baked chicken drumsticks. This recipe guys, you can also elevate it by adding some roasted vegetables, serve with dipping sauce, make a side salad, add a starch like rice, garnish with fresh herbs like parsley, cilantro, or basil, or anything guys that can add a pop of color and freshness to the dish. You have to sprinkle them over the chicken drumsticks just before serving. So here we go with parsley, then I'm ready to dig in. Let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends and the family. Let them know about Mama Bui's kitchen. Now let's dig in. I'm gonna take one. Fresh. So yummy.